Hey guys, welcome to Lights and Buttons. As you can see, we are in the basement. It is currently unfinished, but that will change. If you've been following the channel, you'll know that I have a home studio currently upstairs, and my main complaint about that is that the room is too small. There's not enough isolation between the subject and the background. That causes an issue, especially with chroma keying if I'm trying to get rid of the background, but a lot of the green screen is spilling over onto the subject, stuff like that. This will solve the problem. Right around here will be a new wall. This will segment the basement in half. I'll have the other half for storage. That way I won't lose a ton of space to hide all the junk that I have in the basement. There'll be another wall off to the side here behind the beyond where you can see in the camera, and then behind you there will be the new home theater system. Well, we're moving the home theater system from upstairs to down here, so that way with the projector there's limited ambient light coming in and it gives you a much better experience. Plus, hopefully we can control the audio better. So one half of this basement will be a home theater, the other half will be a photo studio. Day one is right around the corner and I'm pretty excited. In the garage we have a bunch of 2x4s, we've got some 2x10s, stuff like that to help get the project started. Also, we have to do some cleanup. There's all kinds of junk that's laying everywhere, boxes, etc. But there's one thing that drew my attention and I almost forgot, and it's my home server. Coming over to this side, we have the server over here. It's actually a custom built Mini ITX server. I'm pretty proud of it. It has 4 drives in it, as you can see. It's used for backup, it's used for my Minecraft server, my wedding website. One thing I'm worried about is with all the construction work, the dust that's going to be around here, I don't want that being sucked into the my server here, so I want to keep the hardware happy. I want to keep the hypervisor happy, not that they really have emotions or anything, but I want to move all this out and then make sure they're in a safe place. Now I'm not going to show you exactly what's on the screen, and I just shut down all my guest VMs. Now it's time to shut down the host. And all this other stuff has to be cleaned up, but you don't want to see that. In terms of features for the basement, I'm planning to add some wiring behind the wall, including speaker wire, HDMI, Cat6 Ethernet. I will also have the Philips Hue smart lighting system. Since I already have the hub, all I have to do is to purchase the additional bulbs that are needed. In terms of drawing all this out, I'm using a software called Sweet Home 3D. As you can see on the screen, it's pretty easy to use, it's free. It's a little bit limiting in terms of fine-tuning stuff, but hey, it gets the job done. I really wanted to have something that can draw things to scale, which this does. It shows measurements, you can add furniture. So up top we have the home theater, and then the rest of it will be empty space for the photo studio. There we go. We got power, we got Cat6 connectivity. Let's start this up. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be posting updates to my basement project. Right now, the server is pretty happy in its temporary home. Right now, it's kind of a low traffic area. Sturdy table, we got the Cat6 Ethernet, good power. The UPS is over here as well. Again, I'll keep you guys up to date. See you in the next video.